Assembly. Trafalgar Primary School would like to acknowledge our local Indigenous tribe, Gurno, as the traditional landowners. At this school we recognise the elders and the Indigenous people who have their own culture space before us. They had their own way of life and contributed to the way we live now. Thank you to the Indigenous people and the Gurno tribe for the land we are meeting on today.
This week's music award goes to LA8.
Next week on Tuesday, the grade 6s are going over to the high school for transition day, and we will be there for the whole day, and we will be going in and out of the classrooms, having a look around, just meeting teachers and things like that, just for next year when we go into Year 7 next year in high school. And the kids that are going to Marist or somewhere else will be staying in the classrooms. We also, when we go over to the high school, we also have to wear masks just for safety of the older kids and us.
I'm really looking forward to seeing the high school and what's in it.
I'm really excited to meet all the teachers that we'll be having.
I'm really excited to be going to see our classrooms and see what they look like.
I'm really excited to meet all the different teachers in the classrooms, but I'll miss Miss Frankie and the rest of the teachers.
I'm really excited to see what all the different subjects that we're going to do.
Soon we might be able to have the kinder kids come over from the kinder next door to foundation and have a look around and that. So if you see them, please make them welcome and please make them feel safe.
We're practicing dance for the assembly, what's it called? Graduation. During the moment we have been practicing our dance that we are going to be doing, and we do know that we are having a dinner, and just a reminder to all the parents that we will give you more information during the next few weeks. And we will be doing the same ceremony with our parents or friends, but we will figure out a way to live stream it to you for all you guys to watch.
Wait.
Also at the graduation on the night, some of the grade 6 bands will be playing the songs that they've learnt in music class, and we will also not be allowed to sing or anything, so we'll have like backing track and all that, but there'll be instruments in that being played. And thank you to Daryl for putting up the classroom posts and the info report and all that posts, so thank you for that.
We'd also like to thank Daryl for the bird pages, and we hope to see some birds moving in soon.
We're excited to announce that next year from day 1 in term 1, we're now going to have before and after school care at Trafalgar Primary School. And it's going to run out of this building here.
There will also be a school holiday program that starts in April.
And if you think your family is going to use this information, there will be information in the newsletter and also on the school website. Before school care, it will start at 6:30 a.m. and after school care will run until 6 p.m.
Have a great weekend!